Welcome back sa ating channel, and for today's video tarang magde-demo for an online tutorial. So going to sideline, gawa mo na akong sideline, and hopefully ay matanggap ako. So yes, mag-start na ako. And document ko lang kung ano mangyayari sa buhay ko. Ano ba nasuot ko? Oh, boxers. Lapis setup. Pero, yeah. Try until you succeed. Okay, start na. Hi! Can you see? Cut. Ulit. Hello. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Do you see the screen? Okay. My name is Teacher Jason. My name is Teacher Jason. How about you? What is your name? Kevin. Alright, Kevin. Let's start. Do you see things in your screen? Do you know what are those? Good job. Peace bomb. Kapagod. The one on your left is a penguin. A penguin. The one on your right is a bird. Yes, it's a bird. Good job. Can all the birds fly? Okay, we will see, Kevin, if all the birds can fly. Let's proceed to our lesson. What animals do you see? Medyo nahihirapan ako. So, hindi ako sanay ng ganito pagtuturo. I'm more on more on talking. Hindi ako. Gusto may action. Dapat na nakaupo. So, para sa bayan, let's go. How many animals do you see in our slide? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yay! There are 8 animals in the picture. What animals do you like? What animals do you like? What sound? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Oh, is that a dog? Yes, that's a dog. Do you have a dog? Alright, Kevin. is the name of your dog? Ah, Box. Oh, you name your dog Box. So you like dog? Okay. Let's proceed to the next slide. Oh, what bird do you see? It is a magpie. A magpie. Can you say it? Magpie. Alright, good job. This is a magpie. Can you say it again? Magpie. Alright. Magpie. And these are also magpie. How many? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 magpies. How many? 2. Yay! There are two magpies. Let's proceed to the next slide. So, magpies are, what's that? A bird. Magpies are birds. So, how many birds do you see? How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 magpies. Okay. Good job, Kevin. Let's proceed to the next slide. Can you click all the magpies? We will count after clicking. Okay? So, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. Ganito papahinga ako. Pinopause ko muna yung video recording para at least makapag-tuminghay, makapagkamot, umayos ang pwesto. Yan. So, ayun. Let's proceed. So, how many magpies do you see? 5 magpies. Okay, good job. Let's proceed to the next slide. So, what do you see? Magpies. Alright, Kevin. Magpies. So, magpies are birds. Alright. And magpies are birds that what? That can fly. Alright. Magpies are birds that can fly. Good job. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. What do you see? Right. That is a penguin. Where do you see a penguin? Ooh, by the sea. Right. Right to the beach. Did you see a penguin there? where did you see a penguin? Oh, at the zoo. Okay. Let's proceed to the next slide. So this is a, what is that, Kevin? A penguin. Okay, repeat after me. Penguin. Okay, that is a penguin. How many penguin? How many? One. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, these are, what is it again? Penguin also. A mother penguin and a baby penguin. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Oh, these are, yes, penguins also. They are, oh, a family of penguins. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Alright, what do you see in the picture? What do you see? Oh, a penguin. And it doesn't have what? Oh, its wings is missing. Okay, can you drag its wing to this proper place? Okay. Box number 1 on the left. Can you try this? Okay, let's proceed. Now try. Uh-oh, no, it's not. Oh, let's try this one in the middle. Is it? Oh no, it's not also. What about this one? Let's grab this one at the right. Okay, it fits. Yay, it fits. Good job. It fits. Oh, what do you see? A penguin with complete wing. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. So, penguins are bird also. Penguins are also birds. But can they fly? Oh no! Penguins cannot fly. Oh, they can only what? Swim. Okay. Penguins can only swim, but they cannot fly. Oh no, they are so sad. Let's proceed to the next slide. So these are, what do you see on the left? On your left? Okay, these are birds. And those birds at the top, okay, those birds are magpies. So can magpies fly? Can they fly? Yes, they can fly. What about those one? Those pictures at the bottom, they are penguins. Okay, penguins. Can penguins fly? So can penguins fly? Oh no, they cannot fly. They can only what? Swim. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. So let us click and answer each egg. Okay, let's click each egg, each number. No? Alright. Okay. Number 1. Can penguins fly? Oh no, they cannot fly. Okay. Are magpies birds? Yes, magpies are birds. So, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Any other birds that cannot fly? Oh, an ostrich. Good job, ostrich. So that is our lesson for today. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Goodbye. Na-end ko na yung video and nakalimutan ko magpaalam. So, ayun, nagre-record ako ng edit ko na lang sa CapCut. Download na ako ng CapCut. And that's it for this video. And siguro i-upload ko to pag natanggap.